Good day. In Matthew 24 verse 3, the disciples came to Jesus privately and asked him, "Tell us, when will these things be?" Then Jesus talked about the end times and made this statement in verse 34 of Matthew 24. "Assuredly I say to you, this generation will by no means pass away till all these things take place." There are various opinions about the timing of this verse, but I believe it refers to the times we are living in. Because Jesus said this just after he mentioned the budding of the fig tree, which refers to Israel, who became a nation again in 1948. Therefore there will be a generation that will not pass away, but more, that might just not see death. Everybody on earth, since Adam up to this moment, except Enoch and Elijah, experienced death. But we could just be that generation that will not see death. Being in my 82nd year in this life, the thought often comes to me, how will my last moment be when I'm going to step over into glory? It could just be that that moment might not be coming for me, but that I could be part of that generation that will be changed in a twinkling of an eye and be meeting the Lord in the air. What an exhilarating thought that is. Will you be part of that moment? Think about it. God bless you.